What up, juicing world? This is Nomadic Juicer. I'm coming to you guys today to just talk about a little bit about hydration, water, high water content, fruits and vegetables. So with that, let's dive in. A common question that I get a lot during my juice fast is that should I drink water? And to be honest with you, I don't drink any water on my juice fast. Now that might sound a little crazy, but let's dive a little deeper into that topic. Um, Fruits and vegetables, there's a good percentage of them are, made up basically of water. Their composition is water. That's the word I was trying to look for. Their composition is water. There's a lot of them are almost 80, 90% of water. And the water that's coming from the fruits and vegetables is water that's in its purest state because it's been filtered by the plants. It's been utilized in photosynthesis from the sun. And so, when you sort of look at structured water and the water from fruits and vegetables, which is structured water, and look at the composition of that water with the different vitamins, the different minerals, the different biophotons, the amino acids, the bioflavonoids, all these different nutritional value is all wrapped up inside that fruit juice or vegetable juice. And so I don't see the need to drink water on top of drinking fruits and vegetables. Because I'm drinking, 4 to 6 liters of fruits and vegetable juice every day. And so, it's damn near impossible to be able to drink another 2 or 3 liters of water. And on top of that, I personally, I just don't trust a lot of the water sources, that I'm near. If I lived in the mountains or had access to a spring water or, if I knew the source of water, I would trust a little bit more. But living in a city, understanding how these pipes have been ironized and, the rust that's in these pipes, it's just hard to trust a lot of this water. And so I think that the hydration from fruits and vegetables is far superior than to the hydration from water. And hydration will just help with a number of different things. From your skin will be one of the first signs that you see, because I think dehydration is one of the chronic problems in society today. I think the two biggest causes of most sickness, I guess I would say, is constipation and dehydration. The body is 75% water. Your brain, your lungs, even your muscles, your bones are all composed of water. Water is, the largest element, bond in the planet. And so, it allows you to flush your system. It allows you to hydrate your body. It allows you to flush the toxins from your cells, from your tissues, from your organs, and it just keeps you flowing. And so, to kind of give you a quick synopsis to fruits and vegetables that have the highest water content, I'll start at the top. So the top, we got celery. So celery is 95% water. Next, we have cucumbers. Followed by that, we have tomatoes, then cabbage, then spinach. And typically your vegetables are gonna have more water than your fruits, but you'll get more bang for your buck when you juice the more water-rich content fruits. So anybody who's concerned about juicing and it being too expensive, I definitely recommend that you stick to these fruits and vegetables that have high water content, because you'll get more juice for less money, essentially. As we go on the list, we have watermelon falls in at 91% water. Strawberries at 91% as well. Grapefruit, cantaloupe is about 90% water. Carrots, papaya, beets, all around 88%. Oranges, apricots, pineapples, they fall around the 87-85% range of water. And then apples, tangerines, pears, right around 84-85%. And then kiwi and grapes, kind of round out that list at about 82 and 81% of their composition is water. So when you're juicing these different fruits, that's where your hydration is coming from. So you don't necessarily need water. And you're getting more benefits from the fruits and the juices and the fruits and the vegetables because it has the minerals, it has, the phytonutrients, the biophotons, flavonoids, all that different nutritional value that's coming from the plant is being directly input into your body. So, with that, I kind of want to just make a quick short video. I get this question a lot about the water. I don't think it's necessary, but hey, do what's best for you. But with that, if you want to learn more about juicing, you want to learn more about just how the body works, biochemistry, I released my new ebook, How Do I Juice? You can find it in the link below or in my bio. And with that, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.